Good morning, Primary 4. It is Monday, the 11th of January 2021, and hopefully by now you've managed to pick up your pack of work from school. If you haven't, hopefully you'll get a chance to pick it up sometime this week. So I just want to talk through everything that is in the pack and explain it to you just to make sure that you know what to do. So these are the bits and pieces that you should find in your pack, and I'm just going to talk through them bit by bit. So there's a cover letter here for the grown-ups at home to read, and it has some important information for mummies and daddies and some important details for you too. Now at the top you'll find your Sumdog login at the top of your cover letter, and your own username and password will be on it, and also the school code there, MSCPS. Down in this little box here, you will find what reading I want you to do over the next 2 weeks. Now, unfortunately, I can't send you home actual reading books, but I'm going to send you a video shortly explaining to you how to access what I want you to read online using the Oxford Owl website, which is a very, very good website for accessing reading books. And they're just the same as the reading books we would have been reading in school, except that they're virtual. Now, for literacy, there are 2 little booklets that I want you to work on. There's this one here, CVC Word Activity Booklet, and this one here, Pictures and Captions Matching Activity. And I'm going to explain through these 2 booklets now. So each day in this CVC Word Activity Booklet, I want you to do 2 pages. So let's have a look at them. Now, if you forget what pages you have to do, you'll see that I've put the date at the top of every single page. So just in case you get mixed up, you can just check the date at the top and make sure that you're working on the page for that day. So the question asks you to match the word to its picture. So I want you to try at home to sound out these words, and they're all sounds that we've been learning in school, and then I want you to match them to the proper picture. So let's look at the first one together. We've got s, a, t, s, a, t, sat. So you have to try and find a picture which shows that word, shows the word sat. And then you would join a line matching the word to the picture. Over the page then, for the second page. And again, there are more words on the side. You have to sound them out as best you can and then match them to the picture. Now, I want you to try your best at home to sound out these words before you ask someone to help you. Of course, you can ask mummy or daddy or someone at home for help if you get a bit stuck, because it's been a while since we've looked at our sounds because of the Christmas break. So do your best to try to sound out the words. On our second literacy booklet then, I want you to do 1 page each day. So you'll see this is today's page. It has the 11th of January at the top there. And this time you have to sound out a little sentence to try to read a sentence and match it to the picture. So let's look at the first one. P-a-t, pat. A-d-og, dog. Pat a dog. So you would look at your pictures and see which one you would match that little phrase up with. And then we move on to our maths booklet. And you do 1 page each day in your maths booklet. So this is today's page, the 11th. So we're starting off quite easy. We're going to match the numbers to the colours listed. So let's look at the colours on the list. Blue, red, green, brown, yellow, and orange. So if part of your picture has, for example, a number 1, you're going to colour it in blue. So you look for the numbers each time and you colour in the correct colour. We will also have Grow in Love on Thursdays every week. So I'll come back to looking at this page and this little booklet on Thursday. And of course, just like in school, we have our spellings. And these are our spellings for week 1. And you'll also find in your pack spellings for week 2. And the dates are there at the top to help you as well. So let's look through these words. S-at, sat, t-ap, tap, p-a-n, pan, r-a-n, run, t-i-n, tin, n-a-p, nap, m-a-n, man. So each day you're going to write these words out again, just like we would have done in school. And I want you to practice saying these words aloud every day and also practice spelling them. And just like in school, on Friday, I'm going to ask someone in your home to do a little Friday test with you, testing you on all the words. And then they can let me know your result and how you got on. So I hope that is helpful. If you have any questions or you're not sure of something, just send me a little message on Dojo and I'll do my very best to help you. I miss you all very much and I hope very much that I'll see you very, very soon. Bye bye.